Hello and welcome to this video in which we shall attempt stretching and compressing functions level 1. So there are also 4 possible stretches to a function. So a f of x, 1 over a f of x, f of ax, and f of 1 over a x. This is also f of x over a. These are the same thing. So again, if the change is outside the bracket, this means vertical change. So we're affecting the y. So here we just multiply the y by a. So any y value becomes y times a. For 1 over a, it's the same thing. It's just y becomes y times 1 over a, which is the same as dividing y by a. And this is what we call a vertical stretch. Now, for the other two, we see that the a is inside the bracket. So this is a horizontal stretch. And we said that for anything that affects the x, we do the opposite of what we see. So here, x is multiplied by a. So x becomes x over a. We're dividing by a because it's the opposite of multiplication. Here, x becomes a times x because we see division, so we perform multiplication. Now let's try to apply these onto this problem. Here the 4 is outside and it multiplies, so it affects the y. So the y becomes 4y. Now, the y value of the green point is 0, so it still remains to be 0. So let's just write them down. Let's write the points down. So we have this point is 0, 0. This point here is 1, 1. This is 4, 2. And this here is 9, 3. Now, we said that the change here affects the y, and we multiplied by 4. So this becomes 0, 0, 1, 4, 4, 8, and 9, 12. This is because we are multiplying the y value every time by 4. However, the x value remains the same. So for 0, 0, it's still 0, 0. We don't do anything. For 1, 1, this becomes 1, 4. So it goes all the way up like this. And for this point here, it was supposed to be 4, 8. And it is automatically at 4, 8. So there's nothing else we need to do. And we're done. Let's try another problem. So here we have 3x power 3. So again, this is affecting the y. But here it's 3 instead of 4. We're going to multiply the y values by 3. So the y values are, for this point, we have 0, 0. And then for this, we have 1, 1. This is negative 1, negative 1. 3 points are enough. You don't need more than that. You multiply the y value by 3, so you get 3 and 0 and negative 3. So the 0, 0 stays in place. This here goes to 3. And this automatically goes to negative 3 as well. And we're done. So again, here we have a number outside the bracket. Let me just erase. We have a number outside the bracket. And again, the number is 3. So this is going to be 3y as well. Let's take any 3 points. So this here is 0, 0. This is 1, 1. This here is negative 1, positive 1. We multiply the y values by 3. So 3 and 0 and 3. So we just drag this to 3, and we see that the left point is dragged as well automatically. So we're done. And let's try another problem here. So we have y equals 1 over 3 x power 2. Again, the change here is outside. So y becomes 1 over 3y. We will multiply the y by 1 over 3. Let's take any 3 points. So this is 0, 0. I'm going to take the points that have 9 after y to be able to multiply by 1 over 3, because otherwise I'll get decimals. So 3 comma 9 and negative 3 comma 9. We are multiplying by 1 over 3. So this means we're dividing the y by 3. So this becomes 3. This becomes 3. And this remains as 0. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag this blue point vertically down to 3. And that's it. Let's try one more. Here we have 1 over 4 outside the bracket. So y becomes 1 over 4y. So you can just do it easily enough. 0 will stay as 0. This is 4 and 4. I'm going to go to this one. When I multiply 4 by 1 over 4, I get 1. So I just drag it all the way down to here. And that's it. So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope this has been beneficial. Thank you for watching.